In this video, I'm going to show you the two methods you can try to increase the font size on Chromebook. Now, let me be honest with you, there is no option in Chromebook that allows you to increase only the font. You have to increase pretty much the whole thing. Like basically it is increasing the scale of everything. In the process, it will also increase the font size, it will make the text bigger, but other elements on the screen will also got bigger. If that is the kind of trade-off that you are okay with, then here's how you can do it. First, you have to go to the settings page, click launcher, and then you have to visit settings. Okay, let me increase the size. All right, now go to device and go to display. And then here, this is where you can play around with the scaling. Right now, my Chromebook has 90% scale, but I can increase this number. I can set it to be, let's say, 120. And everything will got bigger. And this setting will be applied instantly. And if you open a website, that website will also have a much bigger interface. Everything will go bigger, not just the system, but also the apps and the website that you visit. Now let me go back to the previous state, and let's say you only want to increase the size or the font of a website that you are reading. Well, you actually don't have to apply the setting here. You can just use the built-in zooming feature right in the browser. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, and let's visit something like wikipedia.org. And I'm going to open an article just to demonstrate about what it's going to look like when you increase or increase the zoom in effect, or basically the zoom level of the website. So let's try an article. I will try a random article. Okay, let's try this, Minneapolis. I don't know if this is relevant. Alright, so this is what Wikipedia look like on a default zoom setting, but I can make everything, including the text, to be bigger. Just go to this menu, and on the zoom section, you can either zoom out or zoom in, which will make everything bigger. I'm going to click on this option. And you can see that the changes are appeared in real time, so everything will go bigger and bigger. As far as I know, the setting maxed out at 300 or maybe 500%, which is really big, but even an extra 50% is big enough for me. So that's basically how you can do it. And by the way, you can also use the keyboard shortcut using Control and then the plus key on the keyboard to zoom in, and Control and minus to zoom out on the keyboard. I think it's going to be a lot easier to access compared to having to manually go to the menu and then click on these two options. But anyway, that's basically how you can make text or a font bigger in a Chromebook device. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.